In my quest to continually improve my video shooting skills, I finally picked up a follow focus system. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at it. It's the cheapest AB follow focus kit I could find, the Neewer AB Stop Follow Focus C2. Let's crack on. Let's see what you get for, what is it, $45.99. Customer service there. Little instruction sheet there, I guess we call it. Let's take out the bits so I can show you. That is everything. So we've got a tool for adjusting stuff. We've got an interesting, I guess they put it out as a all-in-one because, you know, you can adjust this piece here to fit your lens, but as we'll mention shortly, not a fan of that at all. So let's get that out of the way and look at what is most important. That is the actual unit itself. Everything moves nice and smooth. Gears feel good, but like I say, we'll summarize that shortly. Nice metallic parts blended with the metal parts as well, of course. The AB point you can unscrew, but let's just show you can turn those as you wish, as you set up your shot, and then your AB point works there. That's nice and solid. Perhaps maybe takes a little bit of getting used to. Gears feel smooth. The rail here, 15mm diameter, 60mm distance. Nice little turning bit there. I'd probably black that out. You know what I'm like when it comes to that. We've got a magnetic material for the white marker. Obviously you can use a pen on that too, a non-permanent marker, so you can just mark your points if you prefer to. We do have the little adapter point in there and a nice big fat knob on the side. Not too bad. So this is good for camera lenses less than 100mm diameter. It weighs 448 grams. Now obviously you need the rail support and maybe one other thing to get going. In order to get going, I had to make two more purchases. I needed a 15mm rail support, which cost me £17.99, and I decided to buy a seamless follow focus ring because the one that comes with the C2, frankly, is very, very limiting, to be kind. I think they definitely need to swap that for maybe 2 or 3 different size seamless rings. I spent £6.25 for the one ring, and it's a much better experience now. Obviously I'm going to need to get more going forwards to fit other lenses. So in total £70.23 to get me going, learning this aspect of video shooting. Not too bad. Now as I am just getting into this style of sort of focusing, I don't have any particularly decent sample shots bar my initial playing around with this setup, but I think there's potential with this and you'll see in future video from me. The quality of the C2, other than the ring that comes with it, is pretty good once you tighten everything up properly, of course. Now I chose this over the even cheaper option because the AB stops sort of appeal to me, but it is kind of tricky to get used to, and at times I found it did knock out of place too easily. However, the gears work smoothly and there's no real play once you swap out the ring. And the white surface here is a very practical touch, allowing you to mark your positions as required, which might be what I'll do going forward as opposed to the AB. Now, in all honesty, as a newbie to follow focus, I could have gotten away with the next one down because, yep, that AB isn't completely reliable. You know, you got to make sure everything is very tight, of course, and, you know, it's not a professional setup, and it's not supposed to be. As an entry point to the world of follow focus for shooters on a budget, fair play, Neewer. This is actually quite nice. Let us know in the comments below if you've used this or if you recommend anything else to a beginner follow focuser. It's not a proper phrase at all, is it? Anyway, any tips, let us know in the comments below.